Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel Baking Secrets by Anna. In today's video we are going to make French toast. It's very easy to prepare, it is perfect for summer, so let's get started. In a bowl you are going to add in your eggs, cinnamon, vanilla extract and your milk. You're going to mix it using a spoon until everything is well incorporated. Place a pan over medium heat and add in 1 tablespoon of butter. Let the butter melt completely. And then dip each slice of bread into the mixture and put it immediately onto the pan. Cook each side of the slice for about 1.5 minutes and then flip it and cook the other side. Our French toast is now ready and you can top it however you want and serve it right away. Don't forget that you can find all of the tools I used in the description box below. Thank you for watching guys, hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for next week's video.